Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best bulk sugar is probably one of the most essential pantry staples for any serious baker, restaurant owner, or large family, offering unparalleled convenience and cost savings when you need a consistent supply for everything from daily coffee to elaborate dessert creations, making it a truly indispensable item for those who frequently use sugar in significant quantities. Number 5. Morning Pep Monk Fruit Sweetener Golden. Discover the rich, golden taste you love without the guilt. It's the perfect way to sweeten your favorite foods and drinks. Following a ketogenic lifestyle? It's an ideal companion, helping you stay on track with your dietary goals. Baking or cooking? You can use it just like regular sugar. Simply substitute it cup for cup in all your recipes. Enjoy delicious sweetness without adding any calories to your diet. It's a smart choice for managing your intake. Rest assured, this product is made with quality in mind. It's non-GMO and certified kosher, ensuring a pure and wholesome experience. Get more of what you love with this convenient 2.5-pound bag. It ensures you'll have plenty on hand for all your sweetening needs. What we like? This is a fantastic golden sugar substitute. It offers 0 calories and is keto-friendly, making it perfect for health-conscious individuals. If you are looking for a guilt-free sweetener that mimics the taste and texture of sugar, this is your ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions. Number 4. Nutricost Baking Soda, 2 pounds. Discover the versatile power of Nutricost Baking Soda. This 2-pound package is a pantry essential for countless household needs. Perfect for all your culinary creations, it helps your baked goods rise beautifully. Achieve light and fluffy results every time you use it. Beyond the kitchen, it's an excellent natural cleaner. Use it to scrub surfaces, remove grime, and leave your home sparkling. Say goodbye to unwanted odors with its powerful deodorizing properties. Place it in refrigerators, shoes, or pet areas to neutralize smells effectively. From DIY beauty remedies to garden solutions, its uses are truly endless. Keep this staple on hand for a healthier, cleaner, and fresher lifestyle. What we like? This versatile product is not just for baking, it's also excellent for cleaning and deodorizing. Its multi-purpose nature makes it a pantry essential for various household needs. If you need a single ingredient that can tackle both kitchen recipes and household chores, this is an incredibly practical option. What people say. Number 3. Domino Pure Cane Extra Fine Granulated Sugar. Experience the classic taste of Domino. This extra fine granulated sugar is perfect for all your baking and cooking needs. Made from pure cane, it delivers consistent quality every time. Its fine texture dissolves beautifully, ensuring smooth results. Whether you're baking delicate pastries or sweetening your morning coffee, it's the ideal choice. Its versatility makes it a kitchen essential. Available in a convenient 50 pounds bulk bag, it's perfect for high-volume use. This ensures you always have enough on hand for any occasion. Domino has been a trusted name in kitchens for generations. Rely on its consistent quality to bring out the best in your recipes. Choose this sugar for superior results in all your culinary adventures. It's the sweet secret to delicious dishes. What we like? This is a classic choice for all your baking and sweetening needs. Its extra fine granulation ensures quick dissolving and smooth textures in your recipes. If you are a serious baker or run a small business requiring a consistent, high-quality granulated sugar in large quantities, this bulk bag is an economical and reliable staple. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 2. Wholesome Fair Trade Organic Powdered Sugar. Discover the sweet difference with this premium powdered sugar. It's perfect for all your baking and decorating needs. Sourced with care, this product is both fair trade and organic certified. You can feel good about using it in your kitchen. Enjoy the authentic taste of real sugar, naturally flavored. It adds a delicate sweetness to any recipe. This versatile ingredient is non-GMO and gluten-free, making it suitable for a variety of dietary preferences. It's a pure choice for your creations. Available in a convenient 50-pound pack, it's ideal for professional bakers or those who love to bake often. Please note that packaging may vary. What we like. This powdered sugar stands out with its organic and fair trade certifications. It's also non-GMO and gluten-free, appealing to those with specific dietary preferences. If you prioritize ethically sourced, high-quality ingredients for your frostings and delicate desserts, this is an excellent premium option. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points for decision-making. Number 1. Domino Dark Brown Sugar 50 pounds bag. Discover the secret to truly decadent baking. This premium ingredient brings a robust, molasses-rich taste to all your culinary creations. Whether you're making cookies, cakes, or savory glazes, it's incredibly versatile. Its unique texture and flavor enhance a wide range of recipes. Available in a generous 50 pounds bag, it's ideal for busy kitchens and avid bakers. You'll always have enough on hand for your biggest projects. Known for its soft, moist texture, it helps keep baked goods tender and flavorful. Its distinctive aroma adds an inviting warmth to any dish. From a brand you know and trust, this dark brown sugar consistently delivers superior results. Elevate your recipes with its reliable excellence. What we like. This dark brown sugar brings a rich, deep molasses flavor to your dishes. It's perfect for adding moisture and a distinctive taste to baked goods and savory recipes. If you love baking cookies, making barbecue sauces, or creating other dishes that benefit from a robust, caramel-like sweetness, this bulk bag is perfect for your culinary adventures. What people say. The sugar consistently delivers a fine granular texture, ideal for baking and confectionery applications. Its pure sucrose composition ensures reliable performance in various food preparations, maintaining flavor integrity. The 50 pounds packaging provides a substantial quantity, suitable for high-volume commercial use or extensive home baking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.